Hello everybody and welcome back to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In this purple mystery box there's some math and your job is to figure out what that math is. Is it addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, something else, something stranger? You're going to put numbers in the top and you're going to be able to see how they're transformed by that math when they come out the bottom. Your ins and outs will be kept track of in this chart, and they'll even be graphed as points so you can see the graph and what shape it makes, and maybe that will help you in discovering what the math is inside the mystery box. There's a link in the description for you to get to this page so you can try it yourself. Put in as many numbers as you want, pause the video, come up with a solution, and then come on back here and see if you got the same solution I did. All right. Well, let's see. I'm going to try with a 0 first. We've got a 4, so maybe we're adding 4. Let's try a 1. Well, we're not just adding 4 because we got 3.5 from putting in 1. So maybe this is a line with a very shallow slope, or maybe something else is going on. Let's try a 2. Okay, so for 2 we get 3. So it looks like as we go to the right, if this is a line, it's going down by half a unit every time it goes over 1. So let's try maybe -1 and predict. It should be here at 4.5 if this is a line. So let's try -1, and we think we're going to get out 4.5. Hey, 4.5. Okay. I am already pretty confident that this is a line. Let's just put in a couple of numbers further out on the graph. I'm going to put in a 6. Yeah, it still looks like it's in line. Let's do a -6. Also still in line. Okay, so I'm confident this is a line. So we're going to use that slope-intercept form for a line. So y equals mx plus b. And the b is the y-intercept, and we can just read that right here. The y-intercept is where x equals 0, so that's 4. So b is 4. The slope is rise over run, and it looks like we're going down as we go to the right. So it's going to be a negative slope, and we're going down by, well, let's do this much. So we're going to go down 1 and over 2. So down 1 is -1 and over 2 is a +2. So it looks like the slope is -1/2. So I'm thinking our line, an equation for the line would be -1/2 x plus 4. So that would make our function f of x equals -1/2 x plus 4. We could try one more point. What would happen if I put an 8 in here? Well, -1/2 times 8, it's like dividing 8 by 2 and making it negative. That would be a -4, and then adding 4 to a -4. So let me write this out. -1/2 times 8 plus 4. This all part becomes a -4, and then we have a +4, so that would be 0. So if I put an 8 up here, I should get a 0 out. So let's test it. Absolutely, 8, 0. There it is on the graph. So I'm confident we've got this. Let's go ahead and reveal. Yes, -1/2 x plus 4, and let's graph it as well. And there is that line. Well, how did that go for you? Did you see that this was a linear function? Did you see that this was a line right away? Were you able to figure out the slope correctly? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.